y'all, it's Lonnie and welcome back to my channel, The Homeschool Help Me, where I help families transition to homeschool and overcome their homeschooling struggles. If you are interested, if you're looking for a way to make your homeschooling, emergency schooling, virtual schooling situation a little bit easier, then stay tuned. Hey y'all, my next 2-minute tip for my emergency homeschoolers is to use a planner or a checklist or something to keep everything organized. So as I mentioned in my first tip, there are tons of different apps, websites, things that your learner is going to need to use, and you need to keep it all organized. If you are overwhelmed as an adult, think about how your child feels when they have to go to this website to read their assignment, and then this website to submit it, and then this website to respond to a classmate. So what I do, because we are a blended family and I do have 2 children who were in public school that are now doing their learning virtually, we print out the schedule for the week and we use it as a checklist. If your child's teacher is not providing that schedule, that is a-okay. Print out a checklist and make it for yourself. And that way, as your learner gets through each assignment, they can just check off, you know what is done and they know what is done. And it makes things a lot smoother and a lot easier. I'll put a link down below to a checklist that I use. I grabbed it for free from another homeschool mom blogger. You just have to sign up on the link and then you will get the entire planner emailed to you. So that is definitely something that you can use to help make your emergency homeschooling much easier. All right, until tomorrow, emergency homeschoolers, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.